Still working through this palette. These are Amazon mystery boxes, which is Amazon liquidation packed into a box. Nobody knows what's inside except the person that packed it. And they're a lot of fun. And the aim of the game is to sell the stuff that we find inside for more than we paid for it. Trying to make a profit. So we sell the stuff in our store. We have 7,500 square foot store, and we also sell the stuff on eBay and on Walmart.com. But so yeah, let's get started. We've got a light box here for eBay. Get this cleaned up. We've got my custom software that we built that makes everything so easy to do. And now the fun part. Let's open this box and see what's inside. Some of these boxes are worth a lot of money. Others are so-so, and others are blah. And let's see what we've got. Oh, I know what those are. You know, I listed about, I think it was like 20 of them recently on eBay as 2-packs, and they all sold within a day. So, happy to see those, and they're in good date as well. But let's start with these things. Oh, there's more of them. Perfect. And that looks interesting. Oh, I know what those are. Diva Locks Afro Wig. Part Kinky Curl. Are they real hair? Doesn't say. Let's have a look. Doesn't look like real hair. Doesn't feel like real hair. But I am no expert on that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new box. We track everything by box type, and that way my AI is able to write articles about the about each box, and it just makes for good content. Plus it's better for me for tracking. So now I'm going to go ahead and take a photo of this, and my AI will do an image search on Amazon and try to find what it is. So I found out what it is. It's saying it's worth about $29.99. I like to just double check because it's something that I built, and AI isn't perfect. So, but it looks about right. The comps are, yeah, the comps are pretty good. So $29.99. So we're going to use that. I don't know how we're going to display these, but lucky for me, I pay people to figure that out. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't look like we're going to run out of Dixie bowls anytime soon. Got a bunch down there too, but that's fine. We sell them for $5 each, so happy to see them. So there's 5 there, hair products. So yep, $15.99. So we're off to a good start. Let's see, box total $79.95 is what that box is worth to us so far. So again, I don't know how I'm going to list these, so we're just going to put them to the side. I mean, not list them, but display them. And my employee will figure that out. But yeah, we've got more of these, so let's go ahead and list these Dixie bowls. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Damn, got enough for a massive party. $4.99 each, so that's 45 bucks added. So now we're at $124.86. So not bad start. I'll be right back and just gonna label all these. Alright, so it looks like we've got some cool toys in here. Might be the Hulk. Yep. So 1 and 2. I've seen these before. So I think they retail for about 20 bucks, and we have them on the shelf for 10. Yeah, there you go. So $10.99 is what we sell these for. So that's two of those guys. So yeah, as you can see, just a crazy variety of stuff inside Amazon mystery boxes. You really just never know what you're going to get, which is what makes our store so fun, because customers just never know what they're going to see when they come in, because we don't even know. So these are interesting. What are these? Oh, I gotta hang these. People would buy these up. Oh, these are Christmas things. I bet people would still buy them. I don't like putting seasonal stuff out. I'm just gonna put them in the bins. Oh, these are good. 250th anniversary. Nice. I wonder why that's come out right now. It's not even, hasn't even passed yet. Damn, I got a bunch of them. That's awesome. That was a score. So weird that they ended up in a mystery box before the 4th of July. Very strange. Alright, so let's list these. So these are 10/26/30 with the expiration date 10/30/26 and 10/30/26. Alright, so they're all good. Good, because I love dog food and pet food, because it sells really well in my store. So we've got 3 of them. And 10, oh, I think it was 30, wasn't it? That's fine. 2026, so 3 of them. Okay. So now we're at $154.31. So, some products are not massive earners like these, but like I said, if a customer walks in and they see this for half of retail, because it usually sells for like $5, then they're happy, because they were going to have to buy it anyway. So they're happy to buy it. So I'm going to put these into the bins. I'll get these labeled up. So there were 8 of those. So I'm going to put those as bin items. They get marked. They get tracked at $2.50 a piece. That's what we average for our sale price for stuff that we put in the bins. I'm just going to put these in the bins as well. Like I said, they are seasonal, so I don't really want to put them on the shelf when they're so far away from Christmas. So that's 6 more bin items. So now we're at $189.31. I know what this is. This is a box of Play-Doh. So I'm just going to mark that at $5. I'm not going to push it to square. I'm just going to put it in here for tracking. Reference price. Oh, sorry. $9.99. Me apologizing to my computer. That's funny. Alright, and we're going to put these with the rest of them. We have a lot of Play-Doh. One pallet that I got ended up having like most of those in it. As you can imagine, that pallet was very heavy. So we know what these are. These are earrings, and this is a necklace. So 3 pieces of jewelry. The jewelry gets processed out separately, and we've got 3 items. We track them at $5 a piece. So now we're at $209. Alright, so there's another one there actually. Okay, so we're going to add that. Now, what are these? I'm going to put this in the bin. Boom. Probably these 2. Like mini. It's a pet item. It'll display well. Yeah. I'm going to put them in the bin. I don't have much space for pet right now. For stuff like this. And I've got a bunch of stuff like this anyway. So 3 bin items. See, that's the that's the best thing about the bins. They're just they're kind of like a catch-all. So these are still good. These sell well if we price them right. So let's see how much we can get for these. They're actually pretty expensive. That's strange. $8.99. That's not right. Yeah, that's not right at all. So I don't know what price it was going by. Yeah, these are usually $32.98, so we're going to go with that price. So 33. which puts us at $16.99. So we're gonna go with 2. I think we can do a bit better than that, so we're gonna go with $17.99 and got 2 of them. We've got the expiration date at 05/21/2027. And there we go. Oh, that's right, I turned this off. Auto print, auto push, push to square, print to. And if you're jealous of my software, if you do anything like this for yourself already and you're just watching me out of interest and you're jealous of my software, you should be, because it's freaking fantastic. And it's if you're wondering if you can get your own, no you can't, because it's custom. I built it from scratch. How, you ask? You must be an amazing coder. No, I'm not. I cannot code at all. I've never done any coding in my life at all, except for some basic HTML. I built this. You know how I built this? With AI. I used Claude Code to build an entire software, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. It does all kinds of crazy stuff. It has been, honestly, I will never forget the day that I started using Claude Code. It was about 3 months ago, and for the rest, until the day I die, I will always remember when Claude entered my life, because it's just been crazy. It's like I'm a wizard now. Whatever I want to dream and build, I can do it. Which is kind of like a double-edged sword, because, you know, being an entrepreneur and having ideas about things all the time can take you down lots of different rabbit holes. And I've gone down some, but I've stopped myself. And I'm trying to stay focused. Alright? So, yay me. So, now we're at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, another 10 of these. These are nice. So, it's going to see that we already have them in the system. And so they're $9.99 a piece. And here we go. These actually do sell in my store. And they sell on eBay, like I said. So I'm going to list them as 2 packs. I'm going to get this stuff out of my little light box. Oh yeah, you thought this software was cool before. Now wait till you see this. So I'm going to put 2 in here, like this. Then I'm going to get my phone, which should be okay to back out of it. Actually, I don't need to use this phone. Ah! No! No! That sucks. Alright, anyway. Well, I guess I can use my phone now. So yeah, let's lot of 2, yep. So I'm going to go ahead and scan this QR code. I just told it that I want to list it as a lot of 2. So I'm going to take the first 2 photos. So I always like to take the first photo as of a 2-pack with the 2 items, that people know that it's a 2-pack. Even though I still get questions about it. Try to make it as clear as possible. It's also in the title, but you know how people are. Alright, so I'm going to take a photo of what's actually in it. And a photo of the expiration date. And that's it. Now watch this. Done. Submit photos. Going to my computer. Now it's done. I'm going to come over here and hit refresh. And there they are. Right there. I can't remember what I sold these to. Let me sold these for. Let me just do a search. I'll be right back. So yeah, we were selling them for $29.99. So that's what I'm going to put them up as. And yeah, so it fills out the as I'm talking it up, it breaks. It fills out the title, fills out the description, fills out everything else that eBay needs, and it knows that there's 5 lots of 2. So if I sell 1 of these in my store, just 1 unit, it pulls 1 2-pack from my listing. So instead of having 5, I'll have 4. So as it sells on eBay, as it sells in my store, it pulls my inventory from eBay, and it knows if it's a lot listing too. So I'm going to hit publish to eBay, boom, and that's it. It's live on my eBay account. So yeah, freaking amazing. So now we're at $3.60 and 18 cents. I've got these little guys. I'm probably gonna just list these for $1 a piece or $2 a piece. Well, actually maybe a bit more since it's coming up, maybe like $5 a piece. So we're going to end up at probably like $3.75. So yeah, great box, happy about that. Hope you enjoyed the video. We've got a lot more to go through. We've still got more boxes over there. Like and subscribe, shoot me a comment, and we'll see you on the next one.